Let's get you a breaking update we are getting this afternoon. It is coming across as a massive setback for the gangster-turned-neta Atiq Ahmed, as the Supreme Court has now refused an order for protection of Atiq Ahmed, and the Supreme Court has now asked him to approach a lower court instead, like the High Court. Now, Atiq Ahmed wanted protection from the UP police and saying that, reiterating his fears that he may be killed in an encounter. And this is the time when the Supreme Court has refused to entertain, as far as Atiq Ahmed, through his battery lawyers, has now withdrawn his plea. So this is the development. As in the meantime, as we speak, he's also being produced in the Prayagraj court as the verdict is awaited in the Umesh Pal kidnapping case of 2007. As we are picking up more details, this is what Atiq Ahmed, through his lawyers, wanted to approach the court and seek protection, as he was fearing at the time when he was being shifted from the Sabarmati jail to the Naini jail in Prayagraj, that he might be killed in an encounter, in a fake encounter. Those were the fears he had really reiterated back then. But amid tight security and a lot of media scrutiny, he covered those 1,200 kilometers safely, as he was now kept in the Naini jail, the high security jail, in an isolation ward. And today he's being produced in court as the verdict that is now expected from the Prayagraj MP MLA court, where the verdict as far as Umesh Pal kidnapping case is concerned, that will be pronounced in a short while from now. So the Supreme Court, we are told, has refused to entertain the plea of Atiq Ahmed. Straight away going across to Amir now. Amir, no relief for Atiq Ahmed. Supreme Court not listening to his plea, in fact telling him to approach a High Court.
Well, that is quite on the expected lines, because the last time around, just within a week after Umesh Pal's murder, when Atiq Ahmed had approached the Supreme Court through his advocate, the Supreme Court was of the same view. Till then, there was no cause for action. The UP police had not requisitioned him from the Ahmedabad jail, and therefore the Supreme Court asked his advocates to approach the court once the UP government actually initiates the process of bringing him back to UP. But since the entire process of bringing him from the Sabarmati jail in Gujarat towards Prayagraj happened on a Sunday, when the Supreme Court obviously was not sitting, they approached the court today when Atiq had already been brought to Prayagraj in the Naini jail, and therefore there was concern. All the accused have been brought inside the court premises amongst heavy security from the Naini jail to the district court premises. And right now, we believe, although we do not have information as yet of the judge having come to the court, but all these accused, 10 of the accused who were actually involved in the 2006 Umesh Pal kidnapping case, have been brought to the case, as had been directed by the court. Now, this very significant case, as I've been saying from earlier as well, because this will be the first case perhaps where Atiq, his brother and other associates will get convicted perhaps for the 2006 kidnapping of Umesh Pal, because with over 100 cases against him, nobody till now dared enough to witness or depose against Atiq Ahmed and his associates, which was why he was roaming free till 2018, right, when it was because of the initiative taken by the Yogi Adityanath government, when he was sent to jail, and then to Ahmedabad jail, to keep him away from influencing the witnesses out here in various cases of crime that were registered against him. So now this case, which actually pertains